What do you got there?
Here it is. 20-inch.
I thought you wanted a tractor.
I want a tractor.
Ryobi, that's a good brand.
Yeah, and it has a 40-volt
Comes with a
battery.
burst too, huh?
No, the purse is empty now.
Looks like the Jetsons.
Yeah.
It has some lights.
It's a bigger box than I expected, though.
You can put it together while I go to work?
Yeah, we're going to put it together tonight. We got to put it in the truck.
Need help with that? That's why I'm here, right?
If you don't mind.
I'm gonna work before work. Alright. Did my work for the day.
You made it look so easy.
Welcome.
A new toy.
You got a tractor like this? Probably not, huh?
No. Boy, they have a lot of tools that fit this battery, though.
Yeah, handles. You want it in or out?
Out. I'm going to do it right now.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm going to have to leave you alone soon.
Yeah. Well, thank you for bringing it home for me.
Work like a jerk. I'm supposed to retire, remember?
Yeah. We're both going to retire, right?
Hopefully tomorrow. Help me!
Maybe it's your last day of work, huh?
Yeah. Good or bad.
I just can't wait to get this started. No gas, no oil, none of that messy stuff.
No phone, no light, no motor car.
All I got to do is charge it and press the button. No cords to pull. Oh, this is sweet.
How long does it take to charge?
An hour.
That's good.
Yeah.
Well, there might be a little power in the battery. You'll try it first right away, huh?
Yeah, and you know, some of those had no battery included. How disappointing that would be to get that with no battery, right?
Yeah, because these Ryobi other tools take the same battery.
Yeah.
So you might have had the battery already.
Yeah, that's right. Okay.
All right. See you later.
Okay, I'm gonna give it a try. All right, let's get started. Here's the features that they tell us about on the box. Gas-like power, maximum power and runtime. Battery for extended runtime. Hassle-free push-button start. Lightweight and easy storage. See how they stand it up on end, and it takes up very little space. That's good. All right, let's rip in. Okay, they give you a little social media information and a place to register your tool. First thing we see when we open the box, the picture of it, 20-inch, brushless. And here we go. So here's the grass catcher bag. Got easy tunnels to line this up, and the bracket that holds the grass catcher on. And next we have the battery charger unit. This is a 40-volt battery holder to plug it into the wall. This is the mulch plug. Everything is really packed nicely and keeps everything safe. And this is the lithium battery. and just fits right into the battery charger. Now this being a 40-volt lithium battery can be used with the other Ryobi tools. In the package is a list of safety rules and operating instructions for using battery packs. The types of safety instructions have to do with where you keep the battery, how you care for it and don't drop it or crush it, making sure that you don't use the charger in a wet space, charge only the proper battery with the coordinating battery charger, don't charge the battery in an area of extreme heat, and what to do if you should have a leak in the battery, and what to do with it when you are not using it, how do you store it, and so on. Lots of good information here. Important that you read all this and understand it before you start the use. Now the charger has an area where you slide the battery in. And the battery has a little section here where you can press to release it when you want to get it out. So you slide it in to the cradle until you hear it snap. And then you charge it, and when you're ready to take it out, you use this little lever and it releases right out of the cradle. On the bottom is the instructions. This is the owner's manual and tells you how to operate this lawnmower. Alright, it shows you all the parts, how to change over from how to add the bag to collect the clippings, what each part of this mower does. Let's take a little closer look here. Underneath the mower you can see the blade and the deck. It's already together, it's just folded up as if it's a suitcase. Here's the lever that you pull up to start the motor. Here's the button to start it. It has headlights so that if you're still mowing when it's starting to get dark, you can see what you're doing. And there's a section where you can store the battery and an extra battery if you'd like to take that with you when you start your mowing. Alright, let's get it out of the box. Now it looks heavy in the box, but it actually is convenient to lift. It has a handle to help support it, and you can use the handle on each side. You can use the handle to get the leverage you need. It has some nice little feet on here. The feet help it to stand up securely. And the handle makes it very easy to lift. It's all lightweight, really. The wheels are plastic. No heavy rubber wheels. And you can change the level of cutting from 1.5 inches to 4 inches. Now let's say we're ready to open it up. We'll lay it down first using the handles. Okay, there's 2 pins, one in each side of the handle, that snap it into place if you want it folded up. If you want it opened, just pull the lever and open the handle. When you get it into the position that you want, there's a choice of how high you want the lever to be. Then turn the little lever and let it snap into place. And it's all secure. Now if you want to change how high you want your grass cut, Here's where you do it, and it's adjusted right there, so easy. Now we want to fully extend the handle to start using this. So you'll see on the side there's a latch. It's on each side, and once you release the latch, you can pull the handle to fully extend it. Now, the mower won't start unless the handle is fully extended and locked. That's a safety feature. Now I want to show you this safety feature. Underneath the battery case holder is a key. And when you're finished mowing, you should remove the key. And this prevents the mower from starting up. Failure to remove the key could result in accidental starting and injury, and it could also result in damaging the equipment. So for now, we're going to leave it in here because I want to show you how it starts up. Let's put a battery in. This side is to store an extra battery, and this side is to engage the battery that we have. Alright, we're going to use the same procedure as we did on the charger. Slide that in, and hear the click. Let's go over in the grass. Before we turn away here, I want to show you the high intensity lights. There's high intensity headlights, LED lights. This has a brushless motor. Let's go over in the grass and try it out. I can't wait. Alright, the instructions for starting this up are to press the button and pull the bail back. Let's see how it works. It was easy. Let's run around the grass here a little bit and see how it looks. Okay, there's those headlights. And then also, we didn't make a very close cut because I raised the deck a little bit high, so I'm going to lower it now. We don't have the bagger on there to collect the grass, but did you see and hear how quiet that is? Oh my gosh, you could cut your grass in the morning before the neighbors even wake up. Alright, now we're going to take the mulch plug and put it into the area where the bagger would go. Make sure that you don't have the battery or the key in the machine before you do this. And you can see it's like a tunnel there. Handle is up and down, and it snaps into place like right here. There are two little pins and holes to match up. You can see they're seated nice and tight, ready to go. Then just close the door and go ahead and mulch your grass. Alright, I'm going to go over here and lower the deck again. And now that it's in a lower position, let's start it up again. You know how easy that is. Easy as pie, nice and quiet. I like this little thing. But we could also add the bagger to this and use it that way. Remember how easy it is to set up? All you need to do, release the handle, slide down the handle so it's not extended, snap it into place, take the battery out using your release lever, take out the key for safety, then pull out the pins on the side, and hold your handle down, lock it in place. Go put your battery on the charger. Use your handles to store standing up in your garage or wherever you'd like to keep it. That's a sweet little lawnmower. I like it a lot, and I think you would like it too. If you have some small spaces to mow and or you're trying to help someone out once in a while, it's a nice portable type mower and it doesn't take up much space. I also like the fact that it's so quiet and you can get your mowing done before most people even get out of bed if you like to do that. Okay, well, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed seeing what this mower is like and how easy it is to get it started. Thanks for watching.